This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 270BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, slide-out, leveling jacks, external shower, TV, water heater, air conditioning, LP detector, refrigerator, skylight, microwave, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bath, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 270BN is 7,876 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.